What if the rough construction wood that most people would throw away could become the centerpiece of a beautiful, peaceful bedroom? What if you could take ordinary salvage pin, clean it up, give it a rich finish, and transform into a furniture that looks like it belongs in a high-end design home? Sounds expensive, right? But that's the surprising part. You don't need expensive hardwood to create something that looks sophisticated. You don't need a huge workshop filled with a powerful machine. And you don't need a complicated design covered in unnecessary details. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are exploring how a simple idea, careful craftsmanship, and a little creativity can turn salvage construction timber into a beautiful Japan-inspired low-profile bed frame. At first glance, the wood we're starting with may not look very impressive. It's rough. It may have mark from its previous life. Some borders may have an uneven surface, and you might even wonder why anyone would choose this material for bed frame furniture. But that's exactly what makes this project interesting. We are going to show what happens when you stop judging wood by how it looks before the project begins. Instead, we are looking at what it could become. Because sometimes the difference between cheap looking materials and beautiful furniture is not the price of the wood, it's what we do with it. It is the preparation, it's the proportion, it is the simplicity of a design, and it is the attention you give to every little detail. The design we are exploring today is inspired by Japanese minimalism. And if you are ever seen Japanese inspired furniture, you may have noticed something immediately. It does not try too hard. The shapes are clean, and the lines are simple. The materials are allowed to speak for themselves, and there is often a feeling of calming and balance. That's exactly what we are trying to capture with this bed. Instead of building a tall, bulky frame that dominates the room, we are creating a low-profile design that feels grounded and peaceful. The bed sits closer to the floor, the lines remain simple, the natural wood becomes the main visual feature, and the overall design creates a feeling of space rather than clutter. But there is another reason this project is worth watching. We are not starting with expensive furniture grade lumber. We are starting with salvage construction pin, materials that might have been left over for a building project, materials that might have been forgotten in a workshop, materials that someone else might consider waste, and we are giving it another life. One goal to transform ordinary construction wood into a bed frame that looks clean, modern, peaceful, and beautiful to last. So, if you are ever looked at cheap or reclaimed wood and wonder whether it could really become beautiful furniture, stay with us. Because by the end of this project, you may need look all a pile of old construction timber the same way again. Let's take the rough salvage bin and turn into something new, truly beautiful. Start with salvage bin. The first step is choosing a suitable piece of wood. Look through your salvage timber carefully. Choose borders that are reasonably straight and strong. Avoid the piece with serious damage. Small marks and natural imperfections are not necessarily a problem. In fact, they can give the finished furniture more character. The important thing is to make such wood is suitable for a piece of furniture that needs to be strong and stable. Let the wood tell a story. One of the best things about reclaimed timber is that it already has a story. Maybe it came from an old construction project. Maybe it was left over for another build. Maybe someone simply does not have a use for it anymore. Instead of throwing it away, we are giving it another purpose. That story becomes part of the furniture. Think about the design before cutting. Before touching the saw, decide what you want the finished bed to look like. Japan's inspired design is often about simplicity, clean lines, simple shape, natural materials. Japan-inspired design is often about simplicity, clean lines, simple shapes, natural materials, a clean appearance, avoiding unnecessary decoration. Let the wood and the proportion of the bed creates the beauty. Why low profile bed looks so different? One of the most recognizable features of this style is its low height. The mattress sits closer to the floor than it would on the traditional tall bed frame. This creates a ground. Why the transformation? This is one of the most satisfying movements of the entire project. Remember how the wood looks at the beginning, rough, ordinary, forgotten. Now look at it. The darker finish highlights the grain. The smooth surface reflects the light. The simple shape gives it a modern appearance. Suddenly, the material feels completely different. It's a hardware district. The goal is to keep attention on the wood. If hardwood is necessary, position it where it does not dominate the design. Clean details create a more refined appearance. The finished bed should feel simple rather than mechanical. Bring everything together. Now it's time to assemble the finished frame. Take your time. Make sure the pieces come together correctly. Choose that the frame is stable. Step back and look at the overall design. Sometimes the best way to judge a piece is simply to walk away from a moment and look at it as a whole. Add the matters and bedding. Once the frame is ready, add the matters. Keep the bed simple. Natural colors can work especially well with natural wood. Avoid overcrowded bed with too many decorative elements. Let the furniture breathe. Create a calm bedroom. The bed does not have to stand alone. Think about the entire room. Simple light, natural materials, soft fabric, few plants, minimal decoration. The goal is to create a space that feels peaceful rather than busy. Why this design works? The low height makes the bed frame grounded. The natural wood adds warmth. The simple shape creates visual calm. The darker finish adds depth. And the minimal design keeps the room from feeling crowded. Everything has a purpose. Nothing feels excessive. Salvage wood can look high-end. This project provides something important. Expensive furniture does not always require expensive materials. The final appearance depends heavily on how the material is prepared. Good proportion, smooth surface, careful assembly, a thoughtful finish. These details can transform ordinary timber. Don't hide the reclaimed story. If you are building furniture to sell, don't be afraid to tell customers that the wood was salvaged. That's part of the appeal. You are giving construction timber another life. You are reducing waste. You are creating something useful from materials that might otherwise have been discarded. That's a story people can connect with. Build a furniture collection. Once you understand this style, you don't have to stop with a bed. You could create something matching bedside table. You can create matching bedside table, low bench, simple shelf, wooden stool, small storage piece, bedroom decor. A complete collection can create a consistent look. Make the bed your own. Japan inspired does not mean you have to copy one exact design. Use the principle as inspiration. Keep the shape simple. Let natural materials shine. Focus on function. Then add your own idea. Maybe you prefer light wood. Maybe you want a warmer finish. Maybe you want a slightly different frame. Your vision should reflect your own creativity. Think about long-term use. Wood furniture should be designed to last. Don't focus only on how it looks in the first week. Think about how it will perform after years of use. Strong connection, good materials, careful finish, and simple maintenance can help the furniture remain beautiful for a long time. Turn budget material into valuable frame. This is where the project becomes especially exciting for woodworkers who want to sell their work. Your materials cost may be low, but the finished value can come from the design, craftsmanship, time, and story. You are not simply selling salvage paint, you are selling a carefully designed piece of furniture. You are selling the transformation. Take good photos. If you want to showcase or sell the bed, presentation matters. Photography is a clean, peaceful room. Use natural light when possible. Show the entire bed. Take closer up of the wood grain. Show the low profile design. Show the details. Good photography can help people understand the quality of the work you done. Start with what you have. You don't need to wait until you can afford premium hardwood. Look around. You may already have useful timber nearby. Salvage construction wood can become the starting point for something beautiful. The important thing is now how to use its potential. The final inspiration is this project is a perfect example of how thoughtful design can transform ordinary materials. The rough construction pin become refined furniture, salvaged wood become a centerpiece, simple shape become elegant design, and discarded material gets a second life. That's the beauty of creating woodworking. So there you have it, a Japan-inspired low-profile bed frame created from salvaged construction timbers. What we started as rough pin has been transformed into a clean, peaceful, and sophisticated piece of furniture. And perhaps the biggest lesson is not simply about building a bed, it's about learning to see potential in ordinary materials. You don't always need expensive hardwood, you don't always need complicated design, and you don't need a huge workshop to create something beautiful. Sometimes a few salvage board, careful preparation, simple construction, and a thoughtful finish are enough. If you are a beginner, start small. Practice on leftover wood. Learn how different finish can change the appearance of the material. Experiments with simple furniture design, and let each project teach you something new. If you are interested in making furniture to sell, remember that customers are not only paying for the wood, they are paying for your design, for your craftsmanship, for your time, your attention to detail, and the story behind the transformation. A piece of salvage wood construction timber may have started its life as an ordinary building material, but with creativity it can become something people are proud to have it in their home. We would love to hear from you. Would you build a low-profile Japan-inspired bed from salvage wood? Tell us in the comments what finish and design you could choose. If you enjoy this project, please like the video and subscribe for more reclaimed wood project, DIY furniture, minimalist design, woodworking idea, and creative way to turn simple material into a beautiful piece. Thank you for watching. Remember, beautiful furniture is not always about how much the materials cost. It's about how you can create with them. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and safely. And we will see you in the next woodworking adventure. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed.